I've noticed that a lot of people have been watching my graham cracker crust video this past month. That tells me that folks are looking for simple pie recipes right now, so I thought I'd oblige with an easy lemon custard pie recipe that you can bake in a graham cracker crust. Now, custard pies are typically baked in a pastry crust, not a graham cracker crust, but frankly we just don't care right now. We've been cooped up for weeks and we're in no mood to nitpick about crusts. But first, let me clear up some common confusion between custard pies and cream pies. Cream pies, you know, those lemon, banana, chocolate, and all those wonderful pies, are made with a pudding-like pastry cream filling that you cook on the stovetop and then spread in your baked pie shell. In addition to the eggs, these fillings use cornstarch or another starch to make a sturdy consistency. Custards and custard pies, on the other hand, just use eggs for their thickening power. The result is a more delicate, silkier filling. Now that we've got that straight, let's bake a pie. So make and pre-bake that graham cracker crust and let it cool. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Now whisk the yolks, sugar, and half in a good-sized bowl. I like this one because it has a spout and that makes pouring easy. It's also yellow, and yellow is my happy color. I mean, everyone needs a happy color right now, right? Whisk in a cup of heavy cream, the lemon extract, vanilla extract, and lemon zest. If you don't own one of these microplane zesters, you really ought to get one. It'll add some real zest to your life. By the way, some people like to strain their custard through a fine mesh sieve to remove any undesirables like bits of shell or egg white, but I usually don't bother. If you do, be sure to add the zest after you strain. Put the baking sheet and the pie on the middle rack and bake for 30 minutes. Turn the heat down to 300 degrees and then rotate the pie. Bake 20 to 25 minutes more until the filling is barely set in the middle. To check, you can give the pie a little nudge. The filling should wobble, not look all soupy in the center. And don't worry about those freckles. Those are just graham cracker crumbs and you'll cover them with whipped cream. Cool the pie for 2 to 3 hours, then refrigerate for at least another couple. Now spread the aforementioned homemade whipped cream over the pie, then slice and serve. And don't forget your neighbors, they can probably use a little pie right now. See you next time.